Hello and welcome to a video on how to stream custom weapon icons in FiveM. I'm just going to get straight into it. So you're going to want to head to the link in the description, which is going to lead you to a GitHub repository. It'll lead you to this page. You're going to want to click the latest version, and click the setup. And I'm not going to install it because I've already got it installed on my PC, but it'll be like just about any other setup. Then you're going to want to head to the description, and there'll be a HUD.gfx file in there. Once you've got the HUD.gfx file, you're just going to want to double click it and just open it. When it asks you this question, do you want the assets to be loaded from that URL, just press no to all. You don't need that. Now once we're here, you're going to want to head to where it says shapes. You're going to want to right click shapes and add tag and define shape tag. Make sure it's not define shape 2, 3 or 4. It has to just be define shape. Once you're here, you're going to want to replace an update with bounds. Or update bounds. Make sure not to just replace, make sure you update with bounds. Once you've done this, you're going to want to double click sprites, just get that folder open, right click sprites, add tag and define sprite tag. That's the only one that should be available. And it'll be the one that's at the bottom, as you'll see it's in bold. So we're now going to right click this and press place object 2 tag, make sure it's a place object 2 tag. And once you're here, you're going to want to press you're going to want to open the frame and open, press on the place object 2. And once you're here, you're just going to want to press edit and change the depth to 1. And where it says place flag has character, just enable that and just scroll back up to where you created your shape. So it'll be the last one in the shapes, and it'll be in bold. So for me it's 735. You find this out, it's just like right next to it, so it'll be called define shape and then open bracket and then whatever the number is, close bracket. So I'm just going to save that. Now we're done with that, this defines sprite for now. Now we're going to want to, this next part is going to be basically where the pistol icon will be and where the pistol will be in the weapon wheel. So for me, I want it next to all the other pistols, and all the other pistols are in slot underscore weapons underscore 0. So yeah, so I'm just going to open this, and I'm going to right click here, add tag, and it's going to be a remove object 2 tag. Now you'll see that this frame 22 is in bold. That's because it's one that hasn't been saved. You're just going to press edit, and the depth you're going to change to 1. Just save that. Then you're going to right click frame 22, add tag and the frame label tag. Now once you're here, you're actually going to have to go into your game and get your pistol, the pistol that you want to add a custom icon to. I'm just going to have to start the resource actually. Do /hash with the resource that's in the description. And in your F8 you'll see the hash of it. Now you're going to want to basically just type the hash into here, but before you type the hash where it says string, you're going to want to type int and then minus and then type the hash in. So for me it's minus 836054692 and just press save. That's all done. And now we're going to press add tag again, and it's going to be the place object 2 tag, and we're just going to press edit. The depth is going to be 1. And the place flag has character is going to be enabled. Now you'll see the character ID. The character ID that you put in here is the sprite you made, so it's going to be the one that's all the way at the bottom. It's going to be 737, and you can see that it's in bold, 737. And then you're also going to want to enable has matrix, and you'll see like a table opens up with the matrix. You open it with the plus or the minus. You're just going to follow the settings I put in there, so it's going to be minus 700 in the translate X, minus 600 in the translate Y, and end translate bit's going to be 11. Now you just save that, and now once you've done that, we're nearly done. You're just going to want to press others, right click the others, and then you're going to want add tag, and it's going to be the export assets tag. Now once you scroll to the bottom of this, you'll find the bold one yet again. Just press edit and then right click on the assets open bracket count close bracket and press insert asset at the beginning or at the end. It doesn't really make a difference. And now where it says UI16, you're going to put the sprite ID that we made at the very start of the video, so it's going to be 737, and you're just going to put that there. And now the string is going to be the spawn code of the weapon. So for me it's weapon underscore say. I'm just going to save that. Now we're done. So I'm going to override this file, which is in a stream folder that I have here. which basically streams the file to the server. This will also be in the description, just so you can just easily replace your HUD.gfx, and you'll just be able to start the resource. Now I'm actually going to close the server and restart it, and we'll be able to see the changes. You might also want to restart your client. Now I'm also going to start a couple resources that will be required to give me the gun, and yep, that should be fine. And I'm also going to start up the gun actually. And now I'm just going to launch up my FiveM. And once my FiveM is launched, I'm going to be able to get into the server. And if all has gone well, I'll be able to give myself the weapon. And it should have the San Andreas pistol icon. I'll see you guys when I'm loading into the game. Okay, so now I've loaded back into my game. I'm gonna go open my V menu, player related option, weapon options. I'm just gonna spawn the weapon by its name, so weapon_Sati. And if all's gone well, yep, there we go. So as you can see, there's now a San Andreas pistol logo. It's not sized very well, but you can easily change to a program like Photoshop. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of the tutorial. I hope this has helped you stream custom weapon icons to your server.